This is Tuck with Tuck GC, and you're probably going to see a lot of videos of this project. We're actually doing all the inside work right now. But I wanted to give you a quick video on a product called Ardex. So basically, when we were putting in the slab here where the hot tub goes, concrete truck came late, a lot of concrete to pour. Long story short, didn't get the best finish on it. And then when we were doing all this stonework around it, I mean tons and tons of stonework, block work, this slab kind of started looking pretty bad. So we decided to come in here and Ardex it, even though it's going to be covered by the hot tub and nobody's ever going to see it. It's just nice to have a finished product to show your client. So this slab was actually in really bad shape color-wise. We just did this Ardex a few hours ago, still drying, but it took out a lot of the imperfections and made the surface look new again. So when you'd use this, most common is maybe on driveways that are cracking up, walkways that are cracking up, a lot of times front stoops that are having an issue. It's not a forever product. It may buy you 5 years or 10 years or make a house look really good to sell it. But at Tuck GC, we do specialize in this Ardex patch repair for concrete. So if you have any work like that you need done, just give us a call and we'd be happy to come out and bid on your work. Thanks for watching.